11 Ways to Work Less and Make More Money. Here are 11 simple ways to make more money in less time, increase productivity, and find the work-life balance you deserve. If you're tired of being a workaholic and want to earn more money in less time, you're not alone. To improve your life as a business owner, it's important to have a good work-life balance. It's all about making life more productive and less busy. Yes, there is a difference. One of the best ways to create the proper work-life balance is to start making more money in less time. How to make more money and work less. Here are some ways to earn more money, increase your productivity, and spend less time working. If you don't prioritize your days properly, social media and other distractions can rapidly start to take over, and before you know it, your life is in complete chaos. If you're stressed to the hilt and falling behind on projects, it's time to hire some help. Even if it's just for a short period of time. By outsourcing the small stuff, you have time to start new projects. You're also able to sign on new clients and even take time to invest in yourself. It's important to know your worth, whether you charge an hourly rate or per project. Any client that respects you and your work should not be surprised by your prices. If you can increase sales by $10,000, it's fair to say you can charge up to $50,000 for your work, giving your client a 20% return on their investment, which is rare these days. Normal business and school hours, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., are the busiest times of the day. If you have the privilege of working from home, or any location of your choice, scope out the best times of day for getting work done. Find a time slot that works with your personal productivity times as well as the environment around you. If you work in an office building, and your job allows it, try working during unconventional times of the day. You could spend more time with your family during the day, and potentially get paid more for working less. For some jobs, people who work odd hours get paid better rates. All jobs require some amount of work, but not all of the projects and clients need to suck the life out of you. Some high-maintenance clients, or bosses, are not worth the high emotional price paid. Evaluate your work schedule and consider dropping any stressful projects or clients and only taking on those that have a good ROI, return on investment. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. That's why it's so important to focus on learning how to earn more money in less time. Overly demanding clients always make you work excessively for your money. Do you have a client who pays you the most money for the least amount of work? Is one of your products selling at a better rate than the rest because of the time you put in beforehand? Go through your business income, clients, and projects to see where most of your efforts are paying off. Then invest more of your time into maximizing them even more. Equally as important is to stop wasting time on anything that's producing small results even though you put in massive amounts of effort. Batching is a simple technique where you group all your similar tasks together and complete them at one time. For example, when it's time to jump on social media, choose one day of the week to schedule posts, reply to comments and interact with your community, instead of doing it sporadically every day. A few tips are to expound on your current idea, add new modules or features to your package, create new graphics, and generally pump up the volume. You don't have to come up with new product ideas, services and content, you just need to leverage it more and produce new stuff less. If you want to make more money in less time, it might be time to change your billable rate. In some cases it's better to opt out of the hourly rate and charge on a per project basis. You'll free up time by not having to clock your hours. It's easier to budget since you know you're getting $X amount each month. You'll have more stability, and can take on more risks, within your business since it's a fixed rate. What are you currently offering for free, or cheap, that you can start charging money for? Many of us already have unique or rare skills we bring to table, but the real value comes in when you can leverage IT to produce an income. I am still working to take my own advice and brainstorming how I can maximize my business ventures into a more lucrative and valuable offering, for both my readers and myself. Repurposing content will often lead to better value and more actionable ideas, which eventually leads to a higher price tag. If you want to create a business that enables you to have more freedom, without sacrificing your income and creative expression, you have to focus on being more productive. It's all about working smarter, not harder. The point of making more income in less time is all about managing your billable hours better. Spend less time working and earn more. Don't just sit there and wish your business had more flexibility or that you weren't a workaholic. Get to work on changing it right now.